everybody. Today I would like to show you how to transform the Tveskaeg Benchtop into a system that can use pump and aspirate the sample by itself, so transforming it into a more or less automatic unit. In order to do so, we need to attach some tubings. You can see we have at the system here we have a small peristaltic pump. The thing that's missing is of course the tubing, and I will show you now how to install it. The idea basically is, you can see I have two parts of tubing here, one for the inlet, so the flow basically is in through the pump into the system at the bottom. The sample leaves at the top and goes to a drain over there. So we have some small things here. First of all, what you need to do is you have to insert a tubing here inside, which basically leads the sample through the probe. You press it in here, so it protrudes a little bit there. You have a top piece here that needs to be attached. I will just press it on here. So, and then you have to secure it with these two screws. So that's part number one. And I will attach the tubing a little bit later, but let's start with the inlet side. So I have a tubing here that I have pre-cut. You can see we are going to install it. Let me see. I think it's most probably best this way here. So you will end up with a bottle here, or with a container here. So you would like this to be aligned so that the tubing protrudes down to the bottom here. So we'll just do that now. So you open the first clip of the peristaltic pump here and press it in, lock it there, and then you have to squeeze. Try to show this as good as possible. You squeeze carefully the tubing in here. So you lock it at the other part here. Pull a little bit so that it's a little bit under tension. That's that there. And I can remove the container here. So now we have to connect this tubing down at the bottom of the system, and I need to turn it around in order to do this. And I will open it now. So it's a two-part. What you can see inside is the inlet port here. So what we need to do is we have to push this tubing onto the inlet here. So that's that part there. And then we have to move or close basically the opening again here, which is fairly easy. So now you tighten it a little bit again. So, and I will just turn the system up again. So you can see it's not that difficult. And the final step is basically attaching the tubing down here. And that's basically it. So what we have now here is the inlet. That is here. It's more or less attached or aligned so that it reaches the bottom here. And the one important feature is you should most probably cut it a little bit in this fashion here, so that it can't just suck itself tight on the ground here. The last part that is missing is the outlet, and that's another piece of silicone tubing here. We just attach it on the top, which is done, and feed it through here into a waste container. And this waste container doesn't need to be a waste container, it can also be, for example, just a normal drain.